just the birth of matter and energy, but the birth of time itself. From that instant, seconds began to run, and the universe took its very first breath. Yet the greatest question remains: what was there?
Before time, there was nothing that could be called before. No past, no future, not even a moment to stand upon. No particle trembled, no light shone. And no mind existed to comprehend this silence. In that boundless void, even the notion of being was meaningless. Yet within this silence, possibility was hidden. A possibility that was neither matter nor energy, but only the potential of an explosion. The potential for the birth of something we could call a moment. And this possibility breathed in absolute darkness. Soundless, timeless, directionless. And suddenly, in a point without dimension, the Big Bang occurred. Not only the birth of matter and energy, but the birth of time itself. From that instant, the universe began to expand. And time flowed like a river. Seconds were born. And with them, motion, change, and stories. Every particle, every wave, every ray of light found meaning within this new current. And millions of years later, the human mind looked back and asked, can we imagine a moment? Expanded, time stretched with it. Woven into particles, into planetary orbits. And into our minds, which sought to measure it. With clocks floating in space. But time is not just a number. It is an experience unfolding within us. In waiting, in memory, in dreams. And each instant is a drop in this endless river, where we drift, without knowing where it began, or where it will end. Time, contrary to our intuition, is not absolute. Near black holes, it slows down. At the speed of light, it halts. Albert Einstein revealed that time and space dance together. And this dance depends on the observer. For a traveler in space, a single minute may equal a year on Earth. This means time is not a straight line, but a complex fabric, shaped by mass, velocity, and energy. We are merely spectators of this dance, while our clocks show only shadows of the truth. If one day the universe collapses, will time itself die? Will seconds cease to move? Or perhaps, in another silence, a new time will be born? Some theories suggest that the universe may begin again, in an endless cycle of birth and death. And if so, will there be a mind to ask once more, what was there before time? Perhaps this question itself is the only thing that survives. Every explosion, every silence, and every ending. The concept of the birth of time is rooted in modern cosmology. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe began approximately 13.8 billion years ago from a state of extreme density and temperature. This event did not only mark the origin of matter and energy but also the emergence of time itself. Big Bang theory describes the universe expanding from an initial singularity of infinite density and temperature. Supported by evidence such as the cosmic microwave background, CMB, radiation, the abundance of light elements, and the large-scale structure of galaxies. Inflationary period occurred within the first 10^3 seconds after the Big Bang. A rapid expansion that smoothed out irregularities and set the stage for the formation of galaxies. Relativity and time. Einstein's general relativity shows that time and space are interwoven into a single fabric, spacetime. Time is not absolute, it can stretch, slow, or even halt depending on gravitational fields and relative motion.
The Quran speaks of creation with a single command. Kun fayakun. Be, and it is. From the void, the heavens and the earth are shaped in truth. Existence flows out of nothingness at a word.
The Quran describes the origin of the universe with the phrase, Kun fayakun, be, and it is. A divine command that brought existence out of nothingness. Verses about the creation of the heavens and the earth point to the moment when time and space began by God's will. Modern science also tells us that time was born with the Big Bang, the instant when matter, energy, and time itself emerged from a state of infinite density. This harmony between revelation and cosmology shows that the question of the beginning of time leads to a shared truth, the silence of nothingness transformed into the flow of existence.
If time ever comes to an end, will we still be able to speak of it? Perhaps the last words in any cosmos are questions like, what was before time? Maybe those questions are the only things that survive every universe. Listen closely.
If this video took your mind on a journey, how do you perceive time? And if you'd like to travel together through the silences yet to come, the subscribe button is the next gateway.
Where each video becomes a new moment of existence.